I wanted you to tell me what Maggie had. You were just telling me. What does she have? This thing she has?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a purple ball.
A purple ball?
Yeah. It's sometimes have something in it.
What's in it?
It's a little ball.
A little ball. And what are you doing with it?
Take it.
You take it?
Yeah.
And who has one?
It's a gumball.
A gumball?
Yeah.
Oh. Maggie has a gumball?
Yeah.
Oh. Does she chew on it?
Yeah. Mom, that's it. She said that's the gumball and Mommy has that.
This is the gumball?
Yeah.
What is that? Show me how it works.
You take it, you dad, and now open it.
You go shake it up and then you open it?
Yeah. And now open it.
Mm-hmm. And then what? You put it on your lips like that?
Yeah.
What is it?
I thought you said it was a gumball and you chewed
So
it.
let her tell the story. What is it? What is it?
It's a gumball.
It's a gumball?
Yeah.
What flavor is it?
It's I don't. It's a ball. It's a pirate fish. I take it and you put water in it.
You put water in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
And shoots a fish.
It shoots a fish out?
Yeah.
Maggie showed you all this?
Yeah.
She did?
Yeah.
Are you hanging out with Maggie sometimes?
No.
So when did you see her?
3 hours ago.
3 hours ago?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
Take it.
You shake it?
Yeah. And I told it. It's something.